Hello all of you, I am Naresh Rawal, the physical education teacher of Modern Indian School, and today I have prepared a video for all of you, and especially for my teachers, for the students, my students, and for my friends. The main intention of preparing this video is why I have made this video, because all of us are at home. We are working from home, and we are sitting, eating, and then only sitting and eating. So no, day by day we are just increasing our body weight. I am sure most of you have increased your body weight. So this video is basically how we can control, or what are the things to be done to control our body weight or to maintain our body. So this is my first video regarding this. I'm in the coming days I'm going to post some more videos, because everything cannot come in one video. So basically today video is about how we are going to uh, 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 do workout. So most of you maybe know whatever I'm telling you. Most of you know, but maybe if you know that, that will be a revision for you. And if others, if you don't know, then please do it. Okay, practice at home. So first thing which I want to tell you is about jogging, or you can say running. Okay, so most of you do jogging or running in the morning time. Okay, so you can go outside, you can do, or if you don't have space, you can do at if you are not able to go outside for running or jogging, you can do on your terrace. Like you can see my terrace, I do my running or jogging over here also sometime. So now jogging and running all of us know, but still many of you may be confused that I do jogging or running for 20 minutes or 30 minutes, but still my weight is not going down. There are two main reasons. So let me tell you first reason. The basically uh, the weight, how to decrease your weight. Your weight is only going to decrease because the main reason is behind that is sweating. The more sweat, the more you are going to decrease your weight. So now you will say that we run, and yeah, you have observed, like here sweating, here back side, your stomach, you have observed. But that is not the proper way of running or jogging. Okay, so my tip or my advice for all of you, that whenever you do jogging or running, the first thing that you should wear a proper jacket. Okay, wind cheater or any a jacket and a trouser. Okay, never run in a t-shirt or a half pant. That is not wrong, but if you run with a in a t-shirt and a half pant, sweat will come, but it will not come in that manner. But you just observe, you just try at one at home, at your place, when you run wearing a trouser, and the zip should be still here. Okay, zip your jacket and a trouser, and then after that start doing jogging for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. 20 minutes is enough for a normal person. So after that, when you open your jacket, you can see sweat all over your body. Okay, in comparison to the jogging you do in a normal t-shirt and a normal half pant. So the main funda of decreasing your weight is sweating. The more sweat, the more you are going to decrease your body weight. This is one reason. But it doesn't mean that if you are doing exercise, if you are doing running, and then you have got the right to eat anything, that will also not work. Like you are doing 20 minutes or 30 minutes jogging in the morning time, and that after that you can say that, ah, nah, I can eat anything. So that is not the way. Okay, so you should have a control on your diet also. That I'm going to post my I'll prepare a special video on that in my coming days. So this is the first thing. So jogging, the benefit of jogging and running is, the first benefit is to keep your body healthy. First, to decrease your weight in this lockdown period. You can go outside and you can do jogging if you have a space, or if you don't have a space, you can go to your terrace of the house and you can do it. The second benefit of doing jogging is you are increasing your endurance power. Now, what do you mean by endurance? Most of you know that, but endurance power means you are increasing your stamina also. So, two things, the two benefits of running or jogging in the morning time is, first to decrease your body weight, and second to increase your stamina. Okay, stamina means uh, for for how long you can do a work. Okay, so slowly first try to do jogging for 10 minutes, then slowly increase it with 15 minutes for after 5-10 days, and then after 5-10 days or 15 days according to your convenience, try to do it for 20 minutes. 20 for a normal person, 20 minutes jogging is enough, but for an athlete 25, 30 or 40 minutes they do. So if you can do more than that, that will be very good for you. Now, maybe most of you feel uncomfortable doing jogging, in the morning time. Maybe you may think that, yeah, what are others will say, what they are going to say. Hey, leave it then, go to hell. But still, if you are not feeling comfortable, the second option which you can do is walk. You can do walk, but again in walking also there are the same condition follows. Wear a proper jacket and a trouser, and don't walk normal. Okay, your walking should be a little faster than, try to walk a little fast. Okay, you can say brisky walk. Okay, you have to walk a little fast, okay, in comparison to others. And if you are doing walk, if you are walking, so 15-20 minutes will not work, at least 30 minutes you need to walk. Okay, so try to walk, but try to walk a little faster than your normal rate, in the rate you walk. And one more thing, that always wear a proper shoe, sports shoe. I have seen especially ladies, they are wearing flat slippers and they are walking, especially ladies. Gents normally they wear sports shoe. Some of you are wearing leather shoes also, that is not allowed. Okay, why I am telling you, slippers, flat slippers, or leather shoes, it what the drawback is, suppose this is ground and you are wearing this is your leg, suppose, this is ground and this is your leg. Okay, so the ankle portion is hitting the ground. Okay, and you can see the in Kathmandu the roads are not very pitchy, it's like up and down and up and down most of the roads. So when you walk there you will feel jerk. The jerk is on the two portions of your body. First your ankle and the second is your knee. Okay, two portions. So that is why I always recommend everyone to wear a proper shoes with a proper, sole. There should be a proper sole, so that it may not hurt your ankle or it may not hurt your knee, because the whole body weight, our body weight, you can see my body, the whole body weight is our body weight, our knee is handling it, as well as our ankle is handling our body weight. So it's better to wear a proper jacket with a trouser, and also to wear a proper shoes. So I am sure definitely my tips is going to help you, and whatever the tip I am telling you, I am implementing it on in my life. Okay, I don't give a suggestion or advice like reading books. And though I have done B.Ed in physical education from TU, and I am doing masters in sports science, it's running, but still, whatever is written on the book, it's okay, it's good. But the thing what I have told you today, I am implementing it in my life also. So you please do it. Definitely, you will see the change. And one more thing, don't if you really want to maintain your body, if you want to fit your body, take all these things as a part of your life, like you brush your teeth, you wash your face, that the same way, running, jogging or walking, include all these things in your life, compulsory part of your life. Don't think that, yeah, for the last 10 days I am running, nothing is there, my tummy is still like this. No, it will not change within 15 days or 20 days. But slowly, slowly, what is going on? Your fat, you're losing your fat. And the second thing which I said, your stamina, your endurance power, you are increasing your endurance power. So that's all from my side. And if you have any confusion, you can write to me or you can ask me directly. In the coming days, I am going to post some more videos about exercises you can do at home that will definitely help you to maintain your body, to keep yourself fit. And also I am planning to post a video on nutrition and diet, because how what to eat, what not to eat, how to eat, and other things which all of you know, most of you know, but still it will be a revision for all of us, and definitely it will help you. So thank you very much from my side. Thank you.